Here we have a SAT math question. There is an equation given over here. That is y equals to 2x 91 times 2x 11. A parabola with vertex a comma b in the xy plane is represented by the equation above. What is the value of b? So the vertex of the parabola is a comma b. That is this a represents the x coordinate of the vertex and this b represents the y coordinate of the vertex. Since we have to find the value of b, we have to find the y coordinate of the vertex. Okay, here the equation of the parabola is given in factored form. Since it's given in factored form, easily we can find the x coordinates of the two x-intercepts of this parabola. So for that we have to set y equals to 0. Let me do it over here. When I set y equals to 0, then the product of these two binomials is also 0. Then we get 2x negative 1 times 2x negative 11 equals to 0. Okay, whenever the product of two terms equals to 0, either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. So that is 2x negative 1 equals to 0 or 2x negative 11 equals to 0. Okay, now let's solve for x in these two equations. So to solve for x in this equation, first I add 1 to both sides. When I do so, this negative 1 positive 1 will cancel out. I'm getting 2x equals to 1. Then I divide both sides by 2. Then this 2 will cancel. I'm getting x equals to 1 over 2. Okay, now let me solve for x in this equation. For that, I'm adding 11 to both sides. So this negative 11 positive 11 will cancel. I'm getting 2x equals to 11. Then I divide both sides by 2. Then this 2 will cancel. I'm getting x equals to 11 over 2. Now I got the x coordinates of the two x-intercepts of the parabola. Okay, whenever I know the x coordinates of the two x-intercepts of the parabola, I'll be able to get the x coordinate of the vertex A by finding average of the two x coordinates. I got it over here. So now the value of here, that is the x coordinate of the vertex equals to the average of the x coordinates of the two x-intercepts. That is to get the average of these two values, what I have to do is I have to add the two values and divide by 2. Let me continue. So a equals to, so here I am adding two fractions to the same denominator 2. So we can take the denominator 2 in common. We can add the numerator. So this 1 positive 11 over 2. Then I'm getting a equals to 1 positive 11 is 12. That is we have 12 over 2 in numerator divided by 2. So when I divide this 12 by 2, I'm getting 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Okay, now I got the x coordinate of the vertex, that is a. Okay, now to get the y coordinate of the vertex, what I have to do is I have to plug in this x coordinate of the vertex 3 into the given equation. So to get the y coordinate of the vertex b, I have to plug in x equals to 3, the x coordinate of the vertex, that is 2 times 3 negative 1. I just plugged in 3 for the x over here. So for this x also I have to plug in 3, the x coordinate of the vertex, and I'm getting 2 times 3 negative 11. Then I'm getting b equals to 2 times 3 is 6 negative 1. Then I'm getting 2 times 3 is 6 negative 11. Then I'm getting b equals to 6 negative 1 is 5. Then 6 negative 11 is negative 5. Then I'm getting b equals to negative 25. Okay, now I got the y coordinate of the vertex, that is I got the value of b, that is negative 25. We find negative 25 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A, negative 25.